Good day, can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Abet Lucas Ardales, 32 years old, from Binitayan Relocation Site in Isla Daraga, Albay, Philippines.
And your marital status?
I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have a son and he is 12 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings and I am the youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am high school graduate.
Why did you not go to college?
Because of financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have.
Go ahead.
I have experience abroad in Macau and I worked for 6 years.
And your duties and responsibilities?
My duties and responsibilities is doing household chores like cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, ironing clothes, also marketing, and especially taking good care of children.
Are you finished contract?
Yes, I am a finished contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I assure you, ma'am, that I am responsible, honest, hard worker, and a very active person.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
I don't have tattoo.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Because of my family future.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tattoos?
I will talk to them, calm, and I will play with them.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Mom, sir, if you hire me or if you want to hire me, I will promise that I will be do my best to serve your family and I will obey your house rules and regulation. Thank you.
Thank you.